There is now functionality to be able to send your SMSs from Workmate. To do this, what you will need to do is send your information through to JCS support, which will be your company name, your email address, your mobile number, and your contact name through to support@jeal.com.au. You'll need to make sure you update to the latest version of Workmate as well. Once we have that information, you will then receive an email from support containing your username and password. You will then log on to the Burst SMS website to log your credit card details and allocate funds to your Burst SMS account. Once you've got that, you'll be able to then go into Settings and then Options and go into the Reminders tab and select the default service, which will be Burst SMS, and enter in the API key and the API secret, which will be provided by JCS support. If you do decide to go with a different company, you can choose the other service option and then enter the SMS server and the SMS API key and secret. You've got details there for your text that you can send in your SMSs, and you've got the load default text options there. To send an SMS via Workmate when a job is completed, when you create a new job and select your customer, you can add your service and a couple of parts in. Okay, and then you'll see on the left hand side you've got the send SMS tick box there. Make sure that's ticked, and then when you hit save and post, the normal options will still appear about your odometer reading and your back order screen if you do use that. If you want to print out the invoice or not. Then this screen here, this is where you will choose make sure that phone number is correct and the text that you would like to send. It will pick up that text from the settings screen that we were previously in. You can change the text as well. So it's asking if you want to send it, yes or no. Okay. You can also set up reminders. So what you will need to do for that is make sure your services are set up correctly. So go up into Maintenance and Services, choose the service that you would like to set up. Make sure that on the right hand side where it says Next Scheduled Service, you've got that ticked. And then you'll have a Next Service ID, and that's the service that you would like to use next to remind the customer to come back for. You can set up your duration and then hit Save. So we'll go and create a new job for that. So a reminder will be prompted to come up in 3 months' time. So just doing a normal job with that service on it. Save and post the job. Normal questions will appear if you want to print it out. Again, the SMS option will pop up. If we go into our reminder screen at the top, and you'll see the sequence says service due, so it'll pick up the next service due dates there. Okay, and as you change the date range, any reminders that are due to appear will pop up on the screen. So as I extend the dates, you'll see more reminders that are due come up. Alright, so you will select your reminder and select the notify option, and that will then send an SMS or a letter, depending on which one you have set up in the settings menu, and that will send that through to the customer.